In the world of cookware, finding a saucepan that combines elegance, durability, and functionality can be a challenge. Enter the Michelangelo 3-quart saucepan with lid, an ultra non-stick copper saucepan that checks every box. Designed for everyday cooking needs, this saucepan is a game changer for anyone who values quality and performance. Whether you're simmering sauces, reheating soups, or cooking pasta, this saucepan delivers impeccable results every time. Let's dive into the features, benefits, and why the Michelangelo saucepan deserves a spot in your kitchen. Exceptional non-stick performance. One of the standout features of the Michelangelo 3-quart saucepan is its scratch-resistant ceramic and titanium non-stick coating. Unlike conventional pans, this saucepan offers a surface that not only prevents food from sticking, but also ensures effortless cleanup. Cooking on low to medium heat requires minimal oil, allowing you to enjoy healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. The multiple-layer non-stick coating guarantees durability, making this saucepan a long-lasting companion in your kitchen. Say goodbye to chipping, peeling, or flaking. This pan is built to endure daily use with ease. Rapid and even heating. Thanks to its professional-grade aluminum alloy construction, this saucepan heats up quickly and evenly. You'll never have to worry about uneven cooking or pesky hot spots. Precise temperature control allows you to create perfectly cooked dishes, whether you're simmering sauces or boiling pasta. The superior heat distribution not only saves time, but also ensures your food is cooked to perfection every single time. Convenient design for everyday use. The Michelangelo saucepan is as functional as it is stylish. The heat-resistant glass lid makes it easy to monitor your cooking progress without lifting the lid, preserving heat and flavor. The lid seals in nutrients, ensuring healthier and more delicious meals. The ergonomically designed stainless steel handle is another highlight. It provides a secure and comfortable grip, staying cool to the touch even during prolonged cooking sessions. Double riveted by hand, the handle is sturdy and built to last. Safe and non-toxic cooking. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate that this saucepan is PTFA, PFOA, lead, and cadmium-free, making it a safer choice for your family. The non-toxic coating ensures no harmful chemicals leach into your food, allowing you to cook with confidence. Versatile and compatible. The Michelangelo saucepan is compatible with all stovetops, including induction. Its oven-safe design adds another layer of versatility, allowing you to transition seamlessly from stovetop to oven. Whether you're sautéing, boiling, or baking, this saucepan has got you covered. The compact size makes it ideal for small to medium-sized meals, making it a perfect choice for singles, couples, or small families. Key benefits. Ultra non-stick surface, effortless cooking and cleaning with minimal oil. Quick and even heating, superior aluminum alloy construction for precise temperature control. Durable design, scratch-resistant coating and hand-riveted handles ensure longevity. Health-friendly, free from PTFA, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. Versatile performance, induction compatible and oven safe up to 450 V. Why choose Michelangelo? The Michelangelo brand has a long-standing reputation for crafting premium cookware that combines innovation with timeless design. The 3-quart saucepan exemplifies this commitment, offering unmatched quality and performance. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, this saucepan makes cooking a breeze. Final thoughts. This Michelangelo 3-quart saucepan with lid is more than just a cooking tool. It's an investment in your kitchen. With its superior non-stick performance, even heating, and user-friendly design, this saucepan transforms everyday cooking into an enjoyable experience. If you're searching for a versatile, durable, and stylish saucepan, look no further. Add the Michelangelo 3-quart saucepan to your kitchen arsenal and elevate your cooking game today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.